2005 Nissan 350Z, lowered, really beautiful car. Got a nice stance to it. Put on for him a TOMEI EXPREME, that's how they call it, TOMEI EXPREME titanium kit, as you guys can see right there. There's a resonator. Everything's all bolted on with springs right there. And then there's the muffler right there, EXPREME by TOMEI, right there, as you guys can see. There's that bolt-on system out the back, right there, and it's lowered, so it's pretty low system, but I think it'll sound phenomenal. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, if you like it, please comment, like, and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for that system if we can find it for you. Oh, it sounds good. Wow. That's fantastic. Whoa. And the wax in my ears is shit. There's sound decibels. Again. 122. TOMEI EXPREME. Too loud, right? And if you guys want to follow his build, that's his Instagram right there. Again. My ears are itching. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. This is the name of it, guys. There it is. That's the name of it right there. TOMEI. Side exit. Hopefully it gets on it real good. Wow. Again? It's so loud. That's awesome. We appreciate it.